Yeah, I'm Vander Mallie, one of the program managers from Data.gov. We want to welcome you to our booth today. We have OpenEI.org, and we also have a number of kiddie mash-a-thons, applications that have been built by Department of Agriculture and other agencies to kind of demonstrate visualization of data. We believe that data visualization is going to be a whole new career field, kind of building on the concept that defense, when they made their GPS data available a few years ago, it spawned a whole new industry, a whole new series of applications. And what we'd like to see is that same concept expanded so that kids, parents, citizens come to the point where they can visualize and understand data. So we want to move away from just statistical reporting and move into the whole arena of allowing citizens and the public to understand government data and to use it to improve their lives and improve the economy.
So what data sets on Data.gov have the greatest potential to do that right now, as you're looking at what people are using and mashing up?
Right now, one of the greatest potentials is, of course, health data, but recently we developed a community around the Restore the Gulf, so Data.gov/Restore the Gulf, that provided a lot of data, a lot of visual maps in terms of how safe is the food, how good are the fishing sites, again, the degree of damage to the environment. So again, it helped expose and inform the public. And so we're hoping for that same opportunity for areas like health, areas like education, areas like energy. So we're hoping that this will expand and we can build communities both that involve the public, involve industry, and involve reactions and proactions with the proactivity with the federal government.
So the Federal CIO Kundra has talked a lot about unlocking innovation in the private sector through releasing open government data. What are some of the best examples so far of how people have done that using what's out there?
One of the best examples is, again, kind of leveraging the basic data sets. One application that I can think of would be taking weather data and severe weather, let's say an RSS feed for severe weather watches or tornadoes, and you take that application and you mash it up with, okay, these are, I'm sending my trucks out into the field. Before I send my trucks out into the field, can I check the weather to see if I'm sending my trucks out into a danger zone, if you will. So again, that's one application using NOAA weather data and with a company that sends their trucks.
So one of the questions I'm seeing some people ask is whether the next data sets that are posted as part of the Open Government Initiative will be more aligned with the kinds of FOIA requests that are coming in. If there's any way to think through the sorts of things that citizens and businesses are requesting and then focus that in terms of where the high value might be. What will the next iteration of Data.gov look like?
The next iteration of Data.gov will be focused on enhancing not only the availability of data, but also, again, this aspect of being able to visualize the data set. So we're putting up a hosting platform that will allow the agencies that have never been able to make their data sets available to the public. It will allow them a platform to easily publish and for the public to visualize those data sets.
Thank you so much. If people need to know more, I guess they can go to Data.gov.
Yes.
Thank you, Alan.